Arbitration hearings we normally refer to as oral hearings, and they are not a must, but they are almost always held. And this is normally the case unless you have a documents-only arbitration, meaning to say that the arbitration is conducted wholly upon the documents and the bundles which have been submitted by the parties. So in this situation, the arbitrator doesn't really see the witnesses, nor is there any examination of the witnesses. The other situation where you don't have oral hearings are fast-track arbitrations. Now, again, although that is normally the case, there are some fast-track arbitrations where there are also oral hearings, but usually in a very limited sense because of the reduction in the time allowed for the completion of the arbitration.
Let us first look at possible reasons why an arbitrator will need to be replaced. An arbitrator might need to be replaced as a result of a successful challenge, as a result of death or incapacity, as a result of resignation, as a result of parties' agreement to revoke that arbitrator's mandate.
Preparation is really key in any type of advocacy, and you really need to know the facts, know the tribunal, and keep it simple. Refer to the institutional rules, take into account the nationality and legal culture of the tribunal members. Look at the structure and presentation, which is very important. You can use a plan. In civil law countries, and those of you who've ever done the this mood will see how civil law lawyers set forth everything that they're going to say in the beginning in an outline, and that really provides a roadmap. It sets the stage for what's coming next, and that's very helpful for the arbitrator.